Good morning, students. How are you? Let's start our topic today. It is about big and small. Now, read it. Big, big, small, small, big, small, big. It means having a greater value in size, amount, or quantity. That is called big. Or simply the object that is not small is called big. यानी जो चीज साइज में बड़ी हो या ज्यादा जगह घेरे उसे बड़ा कहते हैं। यानी जो चीज छोटी ना हो उसे बड़ा कहते हैं। Small. It means having a less value in size, amount, or quantity. That is called small. Or simply the object that is not big is called small. यानी जो चीज साइज में कम हो या कम जगह घेरे उसे छोटा कहते हैं। और सिंपली जो चीज बड़ी ना हो उसे छोटा कहते हैं। It means small. Look, these are two dinosaurs. One is big, the other is small. Can you see which one is big and which one is small? This is a big tree and that one is the small tree. Now look and tell me who is big and who is small. Once again, see Mama elephant and the baby elephant. So Mama is big and baby is small. Look at these rocks. One is big, the other is small. Now you can find which one is big and which one is small. Point out. This is a big house. Wow. These are big sacks. There is a big ball and a small ball. This is a big whale, blue whale. And this one is a small fish in the sea. Now find out who is big, who is small. This is a big truck. This is a small red car. This is a lovely flower. It's big. These are very cute, beautiful, small flowers. Small. Thank you so much. Did you enjoy your lesson? Goodbye.